all the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride.
Hey babies, what's good? It's your girl Chanel, and today I am back with another video. Today I am rocking my 22-inch 13x4 lace highlight wig from MegaLookHair. Oh my goodness, this wig is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it came highlighted already. The highlights are so beautiful, and even though this wig was 22 inches, my stylist decided to do a bob, and we slayed this look with a side part bob, transparent lace on the baby hairs. It's definitely giving scalp realness. Do you guys see those baby hairs? This wig is melted, okay? This wig is super fire. I love it so much. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. Make sure you guys shop this wig. I'm going to be adding links to this direct wig down below and links to their other wigs in my description box. If you guys don't know who MegaLookHair is, you guys are bugging out. They have the best hair. They also do wholesale orders, so make sure you shop with them. Wow, look at this wig. Oh my goodness, look at the hairline. Wow, transparent lace. This wig is just super beautiful. It already came highlighted, colored. My stylist literally just cut this into a bob, plucked it, and we got this look super effortlessly. So I'm going to show you guys how my stylist installed this wig, how we put it on, and let's get into it. Guys saw how easy that was and how my stylist laid this look. Make sure you guys shop MegaLookHair for this beautiful highlight bar wig. Again, this was a 22-inch 13x4, their highlight wig. Make sure you shop with them. I'm going to add links to this direct wig down below in my description box. Make sure you shop with them. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.